How cool is this? This is probably one of the best rephrase. This is the best looking Ford Ranger Wildtrak we've had in Acklam Car Centre on the new model. It's absolutely magnificent. It's had thousands spent on this car. So this is the 2-litre bi-turbo diesel Ford Ranger Wildtrak, the brand new model with a new design to the exterior, interior. But then this has had lots of extras. Everything is colour-coded. It's got the new huge Raptor Ford grille on the front, which doesn't come standard. You've then got the Ford LED sea lighting. Now that is standard on the vehicle, but then you have the casing, the high gloss black going on there. If you haven't noticed, you've got the front LED daytime running lights at the bottom, lower level as well. The bars finished in matte black, and again, rugged, hard-wearing ones. But then it's got a full extension arch kit, 2-piece on the front, 2-piece on the back, and that looks brilliant. The Bonnet Protector. This is an insane-looking car with 2,000 miles on a 23 registration, has the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. Yes, you can go and buy a basic one and then spend the thousands and thousands that somebody else already has, and wait weeks and weeks whilst it all gets done. With this one, it's ready-made, so if you like this video, you like this car, and you think, I want that, it'll just be right for you, then give me a call. My name and number's on the screen, because a car like this doesn't come along very often. Let's talk about the car itself again. So you've seen the arch kit, it looks really good. It's fitted very well professionally, it's not hanging off, it's not just stuck on, it's a cracking job here. And it's slimline as well, because some of them body kits are huge, and this one's just about right for me. But then you have the DVB wheels, 20-inch in size, matte black finish, and again, brilliant design with the all-terrain tyres. Mud flaps front and rear, all the badging all finished in black, and you have the fixed side steps there as well. Like the bonnet protector, you have the window protectors on the side and the matte black roof rails. As for the interior, we're done 2,000 miles, so it's absolutely immaculate. Fully fitted matte front and rear, Wildtrak decal on the dashboard. That orange stitching continues throughout the full vehicle, including on the 3-spoke steering wheel. Very comfortable, very luxurious. You've got this elongated media screen here, which controls most of the car from the heated steering wheel. You've got the heated seats, dual zone climate control, the camera system, everything, navigation, wireless charging pad. You've then got the 2 keys, the different driving modes, 2 high, 4 low, and the 4A. Again, off-terrain, on my gearbox. This is brilliant. Cup holders everywhere, and then you've got glove box obviously as well. It's nice. It's just, you know, when you look at a car, you think, you know what? This is not just a works truck. It's a truck you can use every single day with the kids, with the family. Isofix attachments, 3-point seat belts, armrest front and rear, lots of space. And then you've got a step on there to get into the back, tie things on, tie things off. And then you've got this elongated railing as well. The black styling continues on the back, the heavy-duty tow bar, and then this has a very expensive shutter, but it's off the remote, or there is a button in here, and electronically, it slides all the way back, so you can hide all your valuables. The bed liner is already done for you, so it's ready to use. But you have to agree, it looks stunning. It looks magnificent. The whole styling and the body kit, it's just the right amount. Like I said, some are just outrageous. But for me, this is perfect. It looks brilliant. Stop start button, electric windows and mirrors with electric folding mirrors. The full digital dashboard there. You've got cruise control, lane assist with adaptive cruise. Push button start. Air conditioning obviously, and then you have your reversing camera there again. Glasses case holder above your head. Like I said, it's sat nice and high up. It sounds brilliant. 209 brake horsepower. The new 2-litre bi-turbo diesel engine with 2,000 miles on in this stunning colour. I actually love the colour. I think it works extremely well. Under manufacturer's warranty, if you like what you see, this is a very bespoke Ford Ranger Wildtrak on a brand new model with all the fancy lighting going on. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.